Hi, Jeesu Jain. Welcome to our new series
Hello.
called Life as a Dev. I would like you to introduce yourself, short introduction about yourself. So, yeah, please take it over.
Hey, hi, Piyush. I'm Jeesu.
Mm-hmm.
So, as you all know, I'm currently working in Microsoft as a software developer one right now. So, talking about my educational background, I'm a computer science undergrad from NIT Bhopal. I'm a 2023 undergrad. I
Okay.
did uh, when right out of college, I joined Goldman Sachs as an analyst and I worked for 2 years in Goldman Sachs, and then I switched over to Microsoft as a software developer. So that's
Okay.
it. That's about my
Okay.
professional and
Thanks.
education background.
Okay, thanks, Jishu. Now our audience know who you are. So let's start with the first question. So how did your journey started? What all being the elements in your career, like college and stuff, and after that? So can you please uh, elaborate that much?
So if you see in India, like there's this thing, these good technical colleges like NIT, IIT, they have
Mm-hmm.
this culture of senior and junior. So right
Okay.
when I joined college, I saw my seniors getting placed in all these big companies with very handsome pay. So that encouraged me. That got me into development. Obviously, my
Mhm.
branch was CSE, but this thing sparked the ignition in me. And then I got interest into coding, and then these colleges provide very good environment. So you get to collaborate with your seniors, you get to know how they are working. Even with pass outs, they will visit your
Okay.
college, they will tell you about what kind of work they are doing, what kind of pay they are getting. So all
Mhm.
these things made me choose this path. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah, great. So the next question is, how come a student from a tier three colleges can join these kind of companies like big giants, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, and Goldman and Microsoft? So how can a tier three college undergrad can go through it?
So right in tier 3 college, there's a
Mhm.
difference, right? In all these tier 1 and tier 2 colleges are
Mhm.
have these tie up with companies, like they have that
Okay.
repo. So these companies directly visit them. But the problem with tier 3 is they
Mhm.
do not have all these big tech giants, high
Okay.
paying IT firms visit there. So what a student from tier 3 should do is they should
Mhm.
write starting from first year. Start they should start learning about coding, all the computer fundamentals, architecture,
Mhm.
networking, and all these things, all these subjects which these major IT firms require for you to work in them. So
Okay.
initially, you should start learning them. Then,
Mhm.
if looking like for opportunities, all these companies have their dedicated programs. Like if you will talk about JP Morgan, they have their code for good. So,
Okay.
and it's open for everyone. So
Everyone.
like people from tier 3 should target that. Google has this code for, I think it is, I don't remember its name, but Google has
Okay.
2, 3 programs.
Okay.
Uh, Morgan Stanley has one as well. So all these hackathons or all these events that these companies organize, they pick
Yeah.
their talent from that. So I think
Yeah,
that
like
should be the starting
forward
point.
program. For McKinsey, there's a forward program, and those kind of programs you're
Hmm.
talking about. Okay,
Right, right.
okay, that's fair and square. Moving on to the next question would be, so what is your current role in tech stack in Microsoft?
So right now, Microsoft heavily works in .NET framework, which is
Mm-hmm.
also owned by them. So
Okay, yes.
my role as a developer involves building softwares in .NET framework. So
Okay.
yeah, basically my work involves uh, majorly any feature requirement that we get from our PMs, then work upon
Ah,
them, then
okay,
seeing it through to the release, and then maintaining all these products that Microsoft has.
okay. Thanks a lot. And so, can you navigate us through the hiring process of Microsoft? What all these stages are there? How many rounds are there?
Yeah, so I do not remember what it is right now because
Okay.
if I remember, right out of college, they take less rounds compared to a lateral hire. So
Okay.
if you are sitting in college placements and
Mm-hmm.
Microsoft visits your campus, then it will be on, I think, only 2 or 3 rounds.
2 or 3 rounds.
But
Okay.
yeah, but if you are already a working professional and you are looking for a job switch, then
Mm-hmm.
you are looking around 4 to 5 rounds. So the
Okay.
first round
That's
would be very simple code pair round where they will ask some
okay.
easy to medium level
Mm-hmm.
question. Mostly, I
Okay.
think if you do what is this lead code,
Lead code,
then you
yes.
should be able to clear this first round.
Ah,
Then
okay.
moving on to the next round, next few 2 3 rounds would be more design based.
Okay.
Either they will be low level design or high level design. In low
Okay.
level, they will ask you to implement OOPS concept for
Oops,
some,
consensus.
let's say, like what they asked me was design a ATM machine in low level.
ATM machine. Okay.
Yeah. So those kind of questions. And in high level architecture, they might ask you to design a whole system architecture in a high level overview. So that would
Okay.
be it. And I believe last round would be a bar raiser kind of round where us very high level technical manager will join and he will ask you about
Okay.
um, how you will work in the team, how
Okay.
and all these things he will ask. So
Okay.
that's the
Okay.
whole process.
Okay. 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 So let's move on to the next question, which is see, yeah, what are the perks, various perks in the organization you're currently having and experiencing? That would be
So
interesting questions for aspirants of Microsoft. Yeah.
yeah, actually, these companies take care of you a lot. I mean,
Okay.
uh, right when you step out of your home and you want to go to office, they will provide you transportation. You're working
Yeah.
in office, you want to, they take care of your food.
Okay.
So they have all these big outlets, Domino's, everything inside their
Mhm.
campus. So these are all
Okay.
accessible to you. Then various policies like you can take car for lease, any car you
For
can take for
this.
lease.
Mhm.
All these vacations and everything are taken care of. Then
Okay.
some companies offer stock bonuses as well, so
Okay.
that makes you feel part of the company.
Mhm.
Um, yeah, these all things.
These are these.
And if you will visit their office, it's beautiful as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we have seen a lot in the reels
Yeah.
and YouTube and all that stuff. Okay, so let's move on to the another question. This question would be some maybe get into some trouble, but if you want to answer it, you can answer it, and if you want to skip it, you can skip it. So, if anything you want to suggest Microsoft to improve, some cons you have feel around working place at your place at I guess you are in Hyderabad campus, right?
Mhm.
So, if there are any cons and some suggestion you want to give, so if there are any,
Uh, Let me think. I mean, I have joined in March only, very recently.
okay,
So as of now, I have felt it pretty good here. So
okay.
no cons observed.
Mm-hmm.
But
The things which
nothing
can
as
be
such, man.
improved, yeah, okay, nothing. Okay, okay. Fair and
I
square.
cannot
No,
think
no.
of anything.
Yeah, it seems to be very nice place then. Okay,
Yeah.
so that said, we are end of the this session. So if anything you want to suggest as a part of feedback to me, something which I it needs to be improved and something in me which is incorrect, and so if you want to suggest something, you can just put it
No, no,
down to
that's
us.
good. This series you are doing, it's quite nice. It will help a
Okay.
lot of people going forward.
Yeah.
Whoever
Mm-hmm.
is looking to join
Mm-hmm.
any organization, then this content
Okay.
will really help them a lot. Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Thanks a
all.
lot
Thanks,
for
man.
those kind words.
Thanks for
Okay.
hosting me.
Thanks, Jisu. Thanks.